The core feature within the Velocity 1 race is the ultra-realistic direct drive force feedback, powered by our fantastic K-Drive force feedback motor. It's an adjustable on-the-fly feature that will enhance your experience as you drive around in popular racing sim titles so you can improve your performance.
The direct drive gives you a powerful, low latency response for an authentically accurate feel. You'll feel in tune with your car as the motor response will give you the information you need to react quickly.
Feeling the differences on the track is what will help improve your performance so you can judge tyre grip, vehicle positioning and steering loads so you can push your car to the limit. These small but crucial events will help you anticipate and correct errors before they happen. It's these fine margins that will help you improve your track times and reach your full potential. This product represents years of hard work to ensure that we've produced the best-in-class product available to the sim racing community.
We've had lots of feedback about the Newton Metre value for the Velocity 1 race wheel. For us, it's all about the high quality and care that's gone into making this groundbreaking equipment. Here at Turtle Beach, we want to showcase firsthand how brilliant it is, and we want to ensure the community sees the Velocity 1 race for what it is as a package. We know how important the Newton Metre value is to you all, and we can confirm that the peak for the Velocity 1 race wheel is 7.2 Newton meters.
Our highly skilled and experienced team of engineers have spent considerable development hours fine-tuning the electromechanical performance and honing our data-driven algorithms to provide a world-class force feedback experience in K-Drive. Where some solutions are built with additional gearing or belts that can introduce graininess and delay to the wheel response, our K-Drive motor delivers a single, powerful motor that directly drives the wheel, delivering smooth movement, quick response to in-game events, and high-fidelity feedback. Both Xbox and PC racers will experience a high level of fidelity and an experience that will truly change sim racing.